Holy shit. Look at that. Supposedly it's spring, so what the hell is up with this snowstorm? Oh yay. So my lights were flickering and I was like, what the hell is going on? Thought it was my eyes, but I guess it's this stuff. Kinda sucks. It's really sunny today. There were people with sandals, so not sure if you can see it on here. Freaking hell. Oh, there it goes.